welcome back to another video. So yesterday it was my medical. It's January 4 and my BMI doesn't look good. So I need to lose 1.4 kilograms just only to pass my BMI. My current weight yesterday is 86.4 and I need to lose the 1.4 kilograms to be in 85 kilograms, and that's my target weight. So I went to SM supermarket to buy some goods or food that I can use to lose my weight in just 24 hours or just a day or a couple of days, depends if I achieve to lose the 1.4 kilograms tomorrow. Okay, so let's start. I got a lettuce. I got a 2 bag of lettuce, and this will maybe I will consume it for the next 1 week. I've got and banana. Yes, they said it's easy to lose weight when you eat this one in the morning. I don't eat in the morning, just so you know. I'm trying to do a intermittent fasting diet so that it's more faster to lose the weight. I've got an apple. Whenever I feel hungry at night, maybe I just can eat apple. And I've got cucumber and carrots for the salad. I'm going to do this as a salad and maybe eat it as my lunch, dinner, and breakfast. Also, I've got an apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is really effective for you to use it. And yes, we're going to take that 2 tablespoons in the morning and 2 tablespoons at night. And we're also gonna mix the apple cider vinegar in our lemon water. So I also got a lemon for our lemon water. Yeah. And then I also got a sandwich spread. I don't like the salad dressing spread. I don't like the taste. That's why I got this sandwich spread just to mix on my salad, just to have a little bit of a taste. So guys, we got here our lemon, so we're going to do our lemon water first. Just peel this one off. Hey everyone, so just an update on my goal, which is to achieve 85 kilos in just 1 day, or I achieved it in just 1 day. So that's my procedure, that's what I ate, and that's the things I did to achieve my 85 kilo target for my medical. So if you have goals and dreams, just make it happen. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to click the subscribe.